Want to add a unique personal touch to your style? Learn how to make your very own waist bead with me. Waist beads are Africa's traditional jewelry worn by women for various reasons: body adornment, culture, religion, and sometimes to track weight loss. In this video, here are the materials you're going to need to make your very own stylish waist beads.
One that sticks by my side when things are going crazy and shit ain't right. Baby, I'm my own ride or die. Through the dark and the sad, people tend to leave.
Here I am showing you how to measure your waist for your waist beads.
I'm the only one that sticks by my side.
Circling the runways, I'm about to take off. Rainfall is shining pavement, just like some lip gloss. Was pissed off, now I'm cool about it. Kinda shocked that I found an outlet.
So I'm measuring roughly at probably like 34 inches, and sorry about the measuring tape being twisted in the back.
See fake ass dudes all acting bitch, like what the fuck is this? Yeah, thought you made a bit.
As I show you this step-by-step tutorial of how to make your very own waist bead, I also want to explain the significance and the cultural meanings behind African waist beads. Waist beads hold significant cultural meanings in various African cultures. In the Yoruba culture in Nigeria, they were often worn as a symbol of fertility, femininity, and beauty. They may have also indicated a woman's marital status or to enhance fertility and promote good health. In the Ashanti culture in Ghana, they were worn by young girls during the coming of age ceremony. The beads symbolize their tradition into womanhood and are believed to enhance their attractiveness and fertility. In the Zulu culture in South Africa, they were worn by married women. They were believed to enhance a woman's femininity and promote fertility and bring good fortune to her marriage. In the Maasai culture in Kenya and Tanzania, they were worn by both men and women. They served as a decorative accessory and can also indicate a personal social status or age. In the Krobo culture in Ghana, they were worn by young girls during their initiation ceremony. The beads symbolize their tradition into womanhood and are believed to enhance their beauty and attract potential suitors. Now let's get back to the tutorial. So I'm just making sure that my thread is even at the end. I have already strung the needle on the strand here, and this is the anchor bead that I'm going to go ahead and put on the end of the waist bead. I am going to tie it off and create a slip knot. So now I'm going to get the waist beads. These are glass waist beads here. I'm just going to show you what the design is going to look like. These are called money, and these are my money inspired waist beads that I made for myself. And this is going to be the manual bead spinner that you're going to use. I got this from Etsy. And you're just going to fill it up with the design glass beads that you're going to be using. You don't want to fill it up all the way to the top, because when you start to feed the needle, all of the beads will sometimes spill over onto the table. So we're going to just go ahead and feed the needle into the beads, and as you can see, they're feeding on the needle. Just slide it down the thread, and you're going to continue to do this until you reach the inches that you measured yourself prior to the video.
Now you returning all of it, and I kinda see myself in them. No, I gotta take a L sometimes. Hair getting pulled out by the stems. Just know I didn't.
So I did a couple of these rounds until I reached about 35 inches. But typically I always make my waist beads 45 inches. So if you measure anything below 45 inches, you'll be able to customize the waist bead to fit your waist.
Things are going crazy and shit ain't right. Baby, I'm my own ride or die. Through the dark and the sad, people tend to leave.
So here I'm just checking to see the measurement and see how much further I have to go. So I'm not quite at 35 inches just yet, but like I said, I'm going to go to 45 inches just so I can customize it to my waist, even though I know I'm 35 inches.
I'm on a new vibration, motivated from these sights, somehow it's correlated. It's all cooperation.
If y'all hear my baby in the background, he's 1 year old, so y'all know how that be.
Cop the latest gear, I ignore the basics. And when the morning comes, man, I just fucking hate it. Gates looming, lines zooming, moving while that bass booming. Fear be the nuisance that's choking me more than nooses. Losing sense of direction, the way you're losing the pressure.
So I am almost to the end. I think I beaded about 44 inches, which is okay. I'm going to do my last check here to see how long it is. And I think I just beaded a little bit more because I was trying to get to about 45 inches, but I think I got to 44 inches. Alright, so we're about done here beading the beads onto the string. We're going to go ahead and cut this, we're going to go ahead and get the anchor bead and put the anchor bead on, and then we're going to go ahead and cut the needle from the string, and we're going to repeat how we tied the anchor bead on the beginning of the waist bead. We're going to do the same at the end and make a slip knot. So just remember, when you are making your very own waist beads at home using this very helpful guide of making your own waist bead, just remember the significant cultural meaning of the African waist beads and just respect the culture. And this is pretty much it. We're almost to the end of the video, and I would ask, if you really enjoyed this video and it was very helpful and you're going to make your very own waist bead at home after you watch this video, let me know in the comments below. I would love to see your very own designs. Also tag me in social media on Instagram at theicybrand.com. Also, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video. And maybe I will upload another video of how I tied this waist bead on. If that's something that you want to see, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.